adventure. Should be pretty cool. Kid over here, she booked a day for us to be at a farm out here in Mexico. It's in Cozumel, and we have to take a ferry to get there. So I don't really do too well on boats.
This guy in motion sickness, but I remembered the Dramamine this time, so we should be good.
Yes, we have Dramamine, so I should be good. Shouldn't be no throwing up. But you know, nobody is perfect. No, not I. But today should be fun. We should be learning about some of their natural growing crops as far as vegetables and different type of plants they grow here. We should also have like a cooking class. They're gonna teach us how to make a few Mexican dishes. And other than that, playing with some animals and just touring the land. So stay tuned. Hopefully we able to capture everything. Our batteries last today.
Hopefully ain't nothing too natural to make us sick.
Hopefully.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
So we headed to get on the ferry to Cozumel. Sorry if you can't hear me that good. I got on my mask. We headed over here to do a farm experience on one of the farms that's running on Cozumel. So it should be fun.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with love and I will flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me.
We are on the ferry right now, headed to Cozumel. It took about a good 10-15 minutes for boarding, but we're on our way now. This guy, I think he's feeling good.
All right, feeling good right now.
I will admit, it's really sweaty. If that's a word, I'm going to use it. It's very back and forth, okay? You can probably see me moving. So, yeah, if you got motion sickness, make sure you take your Dramamine before.
Another couple, and then I'm gonna take you to the farm, all right?
Okay.
Sí, dio mucho calor para ellos, la neta, pero se veían su carita, güey, así como cuando llegaba fea a Mérida, así igualita su carita,
Que
güey.
está horrible también.
Horrible calor, güey. Me dice, ve cuando vamos a Mérida, bellísimo Mérida en arquitectura, pero tienes razón, me iba a encantar, horrible el calor, te lo dije. Sus pantorrillas le quemaban, estaban hasta rojas sus pantorrillas cuando iba a Mérida, güey.
Hola.
Always do, right? This is my husband, Mike. This is Robin, and this is Tamia. Am I gonna get it right?
Yes, you're right, Robert.
Tamia and Robert.
Yes.
I'm Robin. That's my husband, Mark.
I'm Robert.
Doing
So where are you
some
from?
filming.
Cleveland,
so
Ohio.
If you don't want to be in it.
Oh, yes, we are too, so just...
Do you come together?
Yes, husband, wife.
Okay.
Yes.
And,
So I guess they're all a group.
I mean, always friendly,
Always friendly.
but she doesn't stop to bother
You're
us.
very welcome, guys. Enjoy your day.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
See you guys.
Okay.
Have fun. Nos vemos.
No? Okay, guys. So,
How you doing? I'm Marty. Marty,
I'm Carlos.
Nice to meet you.
I'm
Again,
Amy.
Carlos.
It's
so
nice to
welcome
meet
to
you.
it's really sunny day.
Hi.
Alcohol, and you're gonna guess what is that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So please welcome Estrella.
Australia, it's nice to meet you.
I can sell her.
You can sell her.
Yeah, the tongue is rough.
No. This is my daughter. No, I cannot sell it.
Is it a star?
Star, right?
Yeah.
She acts just like a dog.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, she does.
You're gonna see.
Look at all of her stuff.
You're gonna see where she sleeps.
always in your face.
Where she sleeps?
I sleep in that room,
Okay.
and has a window. Look, so just watch your step, please, because between dogs, chicks, and Estrella make a lot of holes. Look, and we cover them back. Look, I sleep.
That's funny.
I sleep.
Oh,
in
the
this
chicks.
room. I sleep in this room. Okay? And has a window. And she sleep there.
And she sleeps right outside the window.
She sleeps right outside the window.
Look at the chicks.
So I just discovered one night. I just heard some noise, and was Estrella. ¿Tú qué? ¡Ay! Hija de tu madre. Estrella.
She stepped on his foot.
Ay,
Something is funky and I can't
okay.
Very heavy star.
Yeah. Estrella, yeah.
Okay, you can go, Australia.
So she
thought she was
had her mom and sister, but we should told them. And
Watch out.
first week, scream and cry a lot.
Oh, I bet.
Like 3 months. She's a baby. She has just 1 year and 2 months. Please stay.
Oh, this is baby?
Here in our bar. I will give you.
Tree bark.
No.
Mango?
No. Mango?
Well, guessing. You said coconut, so I'm trying to think.
Figure out anything else.
It's gourd.
A gourd.
Oh, a gourd, of course.
But was like a circle.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
It's like
But
Toast
have you drink?
Uh,
Have you drink?
not yet.
Not yet. No, no.
Is that one Marty's?
Aquí está.
Yeah, that's probably
Ah,
Marty's.
no.
Este es el mío, de lo viejo.
Ah, this is yeah, this is yours. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, casi.
It's like, I'm not drinking that. Whose mouth was on it?
Australia's.
Probably.
Let's drink it.
Cinnamon and rice milk.
No.
I guess coconut milk, yeah.
Coconut horchata.
Horchata.
So where's the
Is
cinnamon
horchata
coming in?
nice?
the cinnamon.
No.
Water in it.
Don't take cinnamon a little bit?
Sometimes horchata or
Where's the
coconut.
cinnamon?
Yeah, cinnamon and coconut.
Oh,
That
okay,
depends.
so it's made with coconut instead of rice.
Uh-huh.
I see, okay.
Right. And the base is
Bamboo.
bamboo.
Hey,
Right.
2 points for Marty. I might.
We stayed at a place in Palenque where they made all of the cups
Mhm.
with bamboo.
Oh,
And they were like
That's
this
the base,
tall,
that's the
and they would put the margaritas in.
Sorry.
It's delicious.
Oh, yeah.
It's perfect.
The good thing is they
They
grow,
go.
I think bamboo grows a foot a day or something like that.
Yeah, you get to keep the cup when you leave.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
because
like-
they can't
like-
wash it.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See. However, what's your step, please? Last year was a
You following me? I think you following me. She definitely following me.
You gonna take it? You want a picture?
No, not with my side piece.
Okay.
You've never climbed a ladder?
Probably
Oh,
not.
good girl. You're doing great.
You want to catch it? To the
You
finish?
can go at least 2 more. Okay.
You're safe. Mike, ready. You are a soccer player. So that. We have
These are the ones that I
just three?
pulled down.
From here. Yeah.
Oh, wow. There's a lot more to climb.
For example, between tequila and mezcal. Mezcal is handmade. Okay, it's a handcraft. And the tequila is made with another gadget. It's still right. So that's the difference. The main difference between them. So sometimes when tubes or pump is obstructed, we should go down to clean it, but check. Take a look. It's 10 meters deep. So it's, we saw Batman friends.
Oh yeah.
So who goes down there? You do? Wow.
And we sell the coconut, and I mean young coconut for drinking, and old coconut for ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Ya, ven para acá.
Because it's sweeter. Must find coconut ice.
This is like an airplane. Sounds like an airplane, okay?
Okay.
It's noisy.
Acts like Mike's hedge trimmer.
Little time, right? But it gets to
Yeah,
going.
Sears used to make everything really solid, but anymore it's like everybody else, just cutting corners and.
Yep.
It's Toledo.
Oh, okay.
So Toledazo means big Toledo.
I thought he was saying this is gonna make you go to the toilet. I get you.
Oh, right.
Give me a Toledazo. Okay. We have
Oh, that's a shot.
shots here. Ah.
All right.
Okay.
Gracias.
Okay.
Oh.
Gracias.
Yours?
Thank you.
Okay. Cheers.
But you give it
Remember, Toledazo.
Before Estrella gets here.
Oh no, Estrella. Right. Okay, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Go. Okay.
Oh, man.
How is it?
Flavor going on.
A lot of flavor.
Oh, there's a sweetie.
Australian, no.
Ah,
Yeah, that's good.
my soul come back.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really.
Mexican grinder. Mexican squeezer, I'm sorry. Okay, first.
Have one at home.
You gonna say it? Made it to the States.
It's not that I don't want you here.
No, the last ones, those are oranges.
Uh-huh.
Like grapefruit?
Ooh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there you go.
Flesh, huh?
Yeah, the flesh is bigger.
Should be bigger.
But it's so not so thick around the edges. It's a thick rind. Yeah.
Okay.
It is flashes. Oh, and he and did he put the...
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away.
Oh, we don't eat any meat or anything, so I do a lot of sauteing.
You prefer it?
Yeah.
That's good. Excellent. We're gonna do guacamole. There is a snack. I'm trying to guess what is that.
I know what it is.
Ah, you know what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's enough.
Smells delicious, bro.
I smell the.
I know.
Dang.
No?
It's so common.
Isn't that
Delicious.
Right?
She's gonna get it right.
ginger? Is much more
She's 8 for 8 so far.
Oh yeah, she's a cook.
Oh yeah. How many sons you said you have?
I have 2 sons and 2 daughters.
Oh.
Yeah.
And everybody's married.
Okay. I think a little bit more. A little bit more.
A little more. I think I can add it here and that's one line.
Uh-huh. This is
You don't want it
local.
this, right? You want me to cut this part out?
Just put it here, please. So we try to use I can go to the supermarket and buy avocados. However, we use almost all our stuff. Okay. More salt, more lime. It's good. Let me check. Perfect. The first time, huh?
Alright.
First time?
Well, we're gonna let the chef say.
Oh, you guys, this is so fun.
Really? Hey.
We have here is a traditional Mexican kitchen, you know, outdoors. This right here,
Okay.
a little pit there is the microwave.
Is your turn?
Oh, that's fine.
Easy there.
Oh, sorry.
Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain.
This is definitely an experience, definitely the vibe. Being able to eat
Right.
with strangers
All of
is a
them.
vibe. I never would have decided except for this. But it ain't as bad as I thought it'd be.
Up top. This okay?
Yeah?
Cheyenne.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the